want to show you how to rename a piece of content inside Procreate Dreams. So I am inside a movie project, and all I want to do is to find the piece of content. It can be a group or one individual frame. It can be anything. And I just want to tap anywhere. Actually, I want to hold anywhere on my content to bring out the pop-up menu. And the first one on the list is rename. And I just want to give it a descriptive name. In this case, it is a highlighter. Once you're done, just tap anywhere outside the box to set the name. And you can also highlight this content or color code it by long press and then tap on highlight to assign a different color. So there you go. That's how you rename a piece of content inside Procreate Dreams. I will see you in the next video.